Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. As you can tell by the title, today we are doing an apartment tour. And this video is long awaited, I know, but this is our happy place. It's our zen area. I wanted to make sure that it was perfect and that we had all the furniture that we wanted. Of course, it's not completely done. I would still love to add things here and there, but it's an apartment. We can only do so much. But I'm basically going to show you where we eat, sleep, drink, edit, film, upload, work, everything. And in the description box, I'll link anything that we have that I can find as well in case you want to shop any of the things that we have in the apartment. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this apartment tour. We're going to start off this tour in the dining room. Our dining room table setup was heavily inspired by Jackie Ayanna. I'm sure you guys know who she is. She's here on YouTube. I saw her tour and I fell in love with the setup of their dining room table, so that's what we decided to go with. I was able to find these chairs on wayfair.com, and then we also have the bench, which I got from Overstock. I found these vases at HomeGoods, and I also found the candles there. These candles looked a lot more realistic than some of the other battery operated candles that I've seen, so I just stuck with those. And then on top of the dining room table, or above I should say, we have a mirror, and I found this one at HomeGoods as well. Moving along to the kitchen area, you can see I don't like a lot of clutter on the counters. I like to keep it very airy and spacious and clean. In the little corner here, I just printed out this quote from Pinterest on regular printer paper, and it says, "Good things come to those who hustle." On the other counter in this corner, we have the Keurig, which my mom gave us for Christmas. And I get a lot of questions about the color of this one. It's not a pure white, it's more of a cream, but I'll link it below in case you guys are interested. The last few things that we have on the counter is just a napkin holder, and then we have our microwave. I really like the kitchen the way that it is, but you guys know me, I always like to add a little something. So if you can see under the counters, we have these little disc or puck looking things, and those are actually lights. They were so easy to install. You literally just put some batteries in there and stick them underneath. They're not really meant for this, but if you use them for this, it makes a big difference in the kitchen. And it also comes with a remote, so you can turn them all on or off at once. Now let's head over to the office area. So our office area is in our living room, but we kind of made it a little bit separate. So we added some shears, some very thin shears, and then on the sides we added some thicker ones in case we do want to make the living room or the office area or our bedroom a little bit darker. Same thing goes for the office area. We don't like a lot of clutter because when we're sitting at the desk, we want it to just be open. Above the desk area in the computer, we have a calendar where we write down things that are going on for that month. We also have a little lamp in the corner at night. We like to turn it on if it's a little bit too dark. We don't have overhead lighting in the living room, which is kind of frustrating, but we made up for it with the lamp. Our chair, I've had it for a while now. I think it's time for an upgrade because it's not the best quality. It works, but it's not as comfortable. It's from Amazon, but to add some comfort, I got this cushion from Costco. It's meant for the car, but we use it for the computer chair. Oh, the living room. I love the way that the living room turned out. I love the way the entire apartment turned out. I'm in love with these chairs right here, just the way that they're set up, and they're also pretty big. Right by the TV stand, I found these lanterns at Target, and I did want to put 2 little battery operated candles in there as well. I couldn't find any more at HomeGoods of the same ones that I got for the kitchen, but I wanted to do that again to add some ambiance to the living room, to give it some warmth without, adding a full-on fireplace or spending $400 to $500 on a fireplace. This ottoman is a recent addition to our living room. I found it at Home Goods as well, and it has storage in it and it's huge, which is perfect. And then on top of it, I have this knitted blanket that I got from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of the two. This TV tray is also pretty new. I just wanted something in the living room where we can set our drinks down or put our laptop if we're editing while sitting on the couch. I put this mirror here for two reasons. One, the windows are on the opposite side, so when we have the windows open, the light reflects off the mirror and it makes the living room a lot brighter. And I put it in this area because there was a really tall old school heater that I wanted to cover. We don't use it. Putting the mirror there kind of disguises the fact that there's even a heater there. And this corner here is a work in progress. I don't know what to add there since we already have a lamp on the other side. I just added this stool and this lamp that we already had. The artwork that's on top of the couch is also from Home Goods. It has a mix of matte and metallic paint, which I like. Welcome to our bedroom. Not a lot going on in the bedroom. It's very, very white, as you can see. Our closet doors in this apartment didn't have mirrors, so we needed a mirror in the bedroom as well. So we put one right underneath the TV and it fit perfectly, and it kind of matches the mirrors that we have on the side of the bed as well. Chris and I have the same dressers. They're from IKEA. I eventually want to get some different ones, but for now these work. And I have them separate because I put my camera in the middle when I film. That's just where I get the best lighting in here. For our bed, we just have a headboard. We don't have a full-on bed frame. But right here, you can see the mirrors that I was talking about. They're beveled mirrors and they go perfectly or almost perfectly with the one that we have in the corner. Our comforter and the two pillows all the way in the back, I found this set on Amazon. And the furry blanket, I got it from Marshalls. The two pillows in the front are Ralph Lauren. I found those at Home Goods, along with the two lamps that we have on the sides of the beds. Those are also from Home Goods. And you might also notice that throughout the apartment, even though it's white and bright and airy, I do add hints of darker colors like dark browns or blacks to add some masculinity to the place. For the bathroom, I wanted more of a spa-inspired feel and look, so that's what I went with. We have wood-like elements in here, along with just a little bit of greenery. In this little nook, we have two little storage boxes, a candle, some room spray, hand soap, and then the little plant. In the storage units, I have cotton rounds, and I also have some Q-tips, which I need to stock up on. We also have this little basket by the sink that has white hand towels, which are honestly never used. They're just pretty much there for decoration. And then next to it, I have these Laura Mercier products. One is a body cream and the other one you can use in the bath. The walls definitely needed some artwork, so we just have these two pieces. I found them at Home Goods. They have a little bit of greenery in them, and then around the rim they have that wooden texture. And I feel like adding those two pieces completed the entire look for the bathroom. And that right there is our little apartment. I hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, make sure to check the description box. I have links down there so you can check out the items that I mentioned in the video. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you in my next video.